Once again, I welcome you guys back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use BetterPic AI to generate 4K professional headshots in just a few minutes. I asked the AI to make a professional photo of me. The result was insane. Let me walk you through step by step. Please, support my channel by liking this video, sharing it and hitting the subscribe button. Let's get started, and make sure you watch this video to the end. Once again, the AI used here is BetterPic. You can create professional AI headshots in 4K resolution from selfies and casual photos. First, go to their website. I have posted the link in the description below. Kindly follow the link to their website. On the website, quickly sign up with BetterPic. Fill out your details, your name, ethnicity, use cases and eye color. Choose your styles. You have different options to choose from. 8 background options, 6 clothing styles, 8 clothing colors. Upload 6 or more selfies or casual photos. Then, watch BetterPic perform the magic. BetterPic just transformed the 6 casual snapshots into 100 high-quality headshots. Isn't that amazing? The best part is that you can also customize these AI-generated headshots with human edit. You can change skin tone, eye color, clothing style and color, accessories and more. With BetterPic, you can save hundreds of dollars over traditional photo shoots. Now, the question is, why choose BetterPic? 1. Get Studio 4K quality, hyper-realistic headshots. 2. Integrated face matching protocol. 3. Strict data protection policies. 4. Guaranteed result. Option to redo, AI edits and human edits. 5. Quick, perceptive customer service. So, start turning your selfies and casual photos into 4K professional AI headshots with BetterPic. Follow the link in the description to get started. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.